Sending bulk emails using Brevo is efficient and straightforward. Here's how to do it in a few steps. Log into Brevo. Go to the Brevo website and log into your account. Create a contact list. Navigate to contacts in the top menu. Click on Create a new list and import your contacts either manually or by uploading a CSV file. Ensure your contacts have opted in to receive emails. Design your email. Go to Campaigns and click Create an email campaign. Enter a campaign name and subject line. Choose to create your email using the drag and drop editor, rich text editor, or by using a saved template. Personalize your email. Customize the content with dynamic fields like the recipient's name. Add images, buttons, and links as needed. Select recipients. In the Recipients tab, select the contact list you created earlier. You can choose multiple lists or segments if needed. Send your campaign. Review your campaign in the Summary step. Send a test email to yourself to ensure everything looks correct. Choose to send your email immediately or schedule it for a later time. Monitor performance. After sending, monitor your campaign's performance under the Report section. Track metrics like open rates, click rates, and bounces to assess effectiveness.